Here is one of the mistakes that all new traders make. When they see an engulfing candle, they immediately open a position. Here we have an engulfing candle and most traders immediately open a buy position. Engulfing candle is a pretty reliable formation, but it's good to see if we have other things in our direction. But many traders, when they see it, think that it is good to open a buy, regardless of the fact that they are in a downtrend. The problem here is that the engulfing candle is strong at resistance and support, or some other filter. So if you are trading any Japanese candlestick formation, it is good to have more things in your direction. Or trade the trend. That's why it's good to have something else going for you. The more things you have in your direction, the more reliable your signal will be and the more money you will be able to pour into the signal. See in our other videos how to use Japanese candles with any indicator, or trend line, or resistance and support. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, we will upload the full video in detail there soon. And find out how you can learn to trade.